Hello everyone, today I will show you how to back up Snapchat photos. And here's how it is done. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You will see the camera screen where you can capture snaps and videos to share with friends. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner to access and edit your profile. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. On the settings page, scroll down to the My Account section and select Memories. Memories is your private collection of saved snaps and stories that Snapchat backs up for you. Make sure the Smart Backup option under Storage is turned on. If it is not, enable it. This allows memories to back up using mobile data when Wi-Fi isn't available. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Snapchat photos backed up. And that is everything you know about how to back up Snapchat photos. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.